This is going to be the last video on this channel for a while, and there's a few different reasons behind this. I'm going to be starting a new journey on YouTube, which I'll share more information about in this video. First of all, I just want to do a quick run through my timeline with this channel. Of course, this all started because of crypto. I started this channel around 5 or 6 years ago now to talk about crypto, to talk about my trades, sharing charts, and all that kind of stuff. Over the years, it evolved into a wider variety of crypto related content. We're talking airdrops, fundamentals, project reviews, price predictions, and all that good stuff. But more recently, I did lose the motivation to be talking about crypto, and it's not just about price, because I've been around for I think 2 bear markets already. This will be my 3rd bear market. But when it comes to the fundamentals, the news, the airdrop alpha, the new meta plays, nothing exciting seems to be going on right now. Projects are not launching because they're waiting for better market conditions, so it just means in general there's a lot less to talk about unless I strictly become some kind of crypto news channel, and that's definitely not what I want to do. Then more recently, as many of you guys will be aware, I did pivot this channel to investing with Posty because I didn't want to be pinned in that crypto box when it comes to my content. I wanted to talk about other interests of mine. I'm talking about the stock market, precious metals, and anything else investing related. But more recently, I discovered there are 2 big truths and big problems for me when it comes to this. And number one, just being brutally honest with myself, is that this is not unique content. Over the last few weeks, the videos that I've put together are already being produced by much bigger channels. So although it was slightly more enjoyable for me to put these videos together, they didn't really feel very purposeful. I guess this is all part of trial and error. And number 2, tying into that when it comes to audiences, and more importantly for me and for you, is that my subscribers have not subscribed for this content. I built up this channel solely on crypto related content, granted in the bull market more than the bear, but that's to be expected. So I'm kind of running into this problem here that I don't feel the motivation or the enjoyment making crypto content right now, but that's what you guys have subscribed for. And on the back of that, the other thing I have to think about is that if my current subscribers and my current viewership are not watching my videos, then YouTube isn't going to push it to a wider audience, and this channel is just going to slowly die a death. So long story short here is that the ultimate answer for this channel is that it is crypto content or nothing, which is exactly why I will be putting this channel on pause for the meantime at least, and I'll be starting a new venture elsewhere. The new channel for me is a more fun and purposeful way of putting content together. The new channel is called I Can't Invest, and the idea behind it is to help people realize that they can actually invest if they really wanted to. The TLDR is that I will be auditing people's bank statements, finding where they are going wrong to help them put a plan together to invest for their future. So many people these days are wasting money on gambling or trying to impress people on Instagram, and if I can change at least one person's mindset when it comes to this stuff, then that's a good job for me. And to some people it may sound super serious, so of course I am going to try and add an element of entertainment and British sarcasm to these videos, and if it does sound interesting to you, I will leave a link down below in the description so you can subscribe and come along for that journey. And of course, if my love for crypto does return one day in the future, you can rest assured that this channel will be back in action. I'm just really waiting for some good stuff to happen around crypto again to get excited and to start talking about all of these things, but you never know, it might have to come once Trump is out of office. And lastly, I do want to finish off by just saying that I do really appreciate all of your support over the years. I look forward to seeing the handful of you guys who come along for the new journey, and for the rest of you, I'll hopefully see you guys very soon. So don't forget to trade safe, invest safe, and I'll catch you in the next one.